When you hear this sound, turn the page. When you hear this sound, the book is over.
Why Is It Hot? A Just Ask book by Chris Arvitis and Carol Palmer. It is so hot. I've never felt this hot. Why is it so hot? It is very hot. That's a good question. Can you tell me, why is it so hot? I sure can. When we talk about how hot it is, we are talking about the weather. To learn about the weather, we can study temperature, wind, and water. Temperature, wind, and water. First, let's find out about the temperature. Look at the Earth. The X shows where we are. At this time of the year, our part of the Earth is tilted toward the sun. The sun shines brightly on the Earth. It heats up the air and land. The temperature goes higher and higher, and it is hot. It's hot. Yes, it is. We use a thermometer to find out what the temperature is. Look at the thermometer. The red line is at 90. The bigger the number, the hotter it is. Next, let's look at my weather map. The yellow band shows the part of the world that is hot all the time. Warm, dry air starts over the land. Warm, moist air begins over the water. Interesting. We also need to know about the wind. Wind is moving air. The arrows show the direction the air moves. When the cooler air mixes with the warm, moist air, we get rain. I see lots of warm air. The amount of water in the air makes us feel hot. On a rainy day, we can see the water in the air. We can see the raindrops. Today, there is another kind of water in the air. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. It makes the air feel wet. We call it humidity. 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 A lot of humidity in the air makes us feel hot and sticky. We get little bubbles of water on our skin. I've noticed that. On a humid day, the water just sits on our skin. It makes us feel hotter and hotter. I can feel the humidity. Let's review. The yellow band shows where the warm air started. The air moved toward us. The arrows show the route it took. I feel hot and sticky. The humidity makes us feel hot and sticky. We are thirsty. The sun shines brightly overhead. It warms the earth and makes the temperature go higher and higher. And now I know why it's hot.